Focus on something. Welcome to the Stylist Journey. Maybe you'll want to start at the beginning. A little nervous when I came in on you like that. That's a feeling you can get when you're burnt out, stressed out, in a rut. There was a time when you had no clients, no money, and you were wishing you could have clients and money. Now, maybe you're there. Maybe you're full of clients, tapped out, burnt out, feeling stressed out, and you're like, wait a minute, I wanted to get here. Why am I not happy here? It's because you're afraid to focus on something or raise your prices or do the things you need to do because you're friends with those clients. I was there. I was friends with them. Now it's time to focus. You need to figure out which services you're passionate about. If you did what I talked about in the last video and you did everything to figure out what you might like, what you might want to focus in on, then maybe you figured it out. For me personally, I tried artificial nails. I did fiberglass nails for like 4 or 5 years. It paid the bills. It was hard on my neck and shoulders, but it's what I did. Made a lot of money doing it, realizing I need to get out of this. There's more money in other services. So I was doing manicures, pedicures. I even did the first airbrush spray tan in Louisiana. When that machine came out, I was spray tanning people, and I thought, yeah, maybe this isn't my passion either. It made a few extra dollars, but hair replacement, hair extensions, and a little secret, I'll tell you, I never did an updo. I probably should have did it because I probably would have enjoyed the creativity of it. I didn't learn it in school, just never did do it. So it's one of those things I don't know if I'm passionate about. That's why I say do everything at first. But for me, hair replacement, putting hair on a bald man or a bald woman, how their face, their feeling, their excitement, it was incredible. I felt great doing it, and it paid really well. So hair replacement, hair extensions changed my life as I was changing other people's lives. So now I say, decide what 1 or 2 or 3 services you really like. So for some people, it's men's barbering cuts these days. That's a huge thing in the world right now. But who knows when you're watching this video, maybe years later, and it's not anymore. So find out what's going on right now that you could be passionate about and make really good money. And then there's always the next step of getting an apprentice, assistant, helping teach that service. There's places to go. You should never get burnt out in any field. There's always that next step. And if you just got booked solid and feeling a little burnt out, then focusing on 1, 2, or 3 services and charging a really good price for it is where you should be.